So first thing we're going to do, just so they brush around a little bit easier, is we're just going to put our template on any type of just hard surface. And that way the stones or the studs are actually going to brush around a little easier. So the studs we're using here are our new glitter rhine studs. So they're a Korean, they don't have any lead, and they're the glitter rhine studs that we have available on the website at therhinestoneworld.com. So first thing you want to do, you just want to get a good amount in there, and you'll see the difference. So if I'm using this brush here, you're going to see as I'm moving around how because they have the dome shape on the back of the studs, they don't really move at all. To where if I use this, and all it is a tool that I picked up over at Target. It's actually for armor rolling your tires, and you can see when I push this through, it's actually going to move those different stones. So if I brush it this way, that's to get rid of the stones, but then if I just brush it like a regular brush, that's going to spread all my stones around to start getting them in all the holes. So I'm going to show you how it works here. So we're just going to go around, and those of you that have worked with the sticky flock template material or most of the flock materials, you know what the studs are like to actually brush in. So what I'm doing right now, I'm not even paying attention really if they're going into the holes. I'm just brushing them all around to give it a good spread throughout it. And then once I'm ready to move away my existing stones that I don't want there, you can see I'm just going to brush it across like this. So I'm actually using the edge of this brush where it's able to pull those stones off a little bit easier. So I'm pulling these off here, pull them off the side here, and you can see how much easier that was with the rhine studs. So if we look in here, I see one, looks like only 2 spots out of all of this Eiffel Tower design that we missed, and that was a matter of probably 30 seconds to actually brush all that in. So you can see a big difference to where when I bring these over here and I brush them around, see how even though I'm brushing, the stones aren't moving anywhere? And that's what the most difficult part is with the regular brush, is you can't get them out of the way. Where with this, see how easily they come out of the way, to be able to make it easier and brush them in a lot easier to speed up your design and your process.